Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and thank you so much for always coming back. In today's video I'm making some mahamri, and as you have seen, I have just poured a cup of flour. I have already poured 4 cups of flour. That one was the 4th one that I was pouring, and now I'm just trying to measure 3/4 cup of sugar. So I will first start with the half cup of sugar. Here, this is the half a cup of sugar. Then I will also add a 1/4 cup of sugar to make it 3/4 cups of sugar. So this is the process of preparing mahamri. I was preparing mahamri for my husband, who really loves mahamri. It was his birthday and I really wanted him to eat one of his favorite snacks. So there I've put 4 cups of flour and 3¼ cups of sugar. Now I will go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of cardamom. This is cardamom that I have just put. This is 1 tablespoon of cardamom. Then I will also put 1 tablespoon of yeast. This is yeast. I usually use the Angel brand. 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then I will also put 1 full tablespoon of margarine. I went ahead and added more because I do love margarine in my mandazis or mahamri. And by the way, this was my first time preparing mahamri, and I was glad. They came out very well, very sweet, just perfect. It is very easy to make mahamri. If I did it, you can also do it. Then I will go ahead and mix the mixture very well, mixing everything together. Then the next thing, I'll be putting some milk. I'll be adding my milk bit by bit until I see my dough is well and it is mixed well with the milk. You should also put your milk bit by bit so that you don't overdo it. And we are also not going to make our dough very soft like for chapels, because this we are trying to prepare mahamris. Don't make it too soft, just a little bit hard. So I'll just continue making the dough, and I'll continue kneading it for at least 10 minutes. So after kneading it for 10 to 15 minutes, I will go ahead and cut my big dough into 2. Then one of the half, I will divide it into smaller pieces. So this is the other half. You'll do the same process, cut it into small pieces, then put it away and cover it and let it sit for at least an hour so that it can increase in size. Then I later noticed that some of the small pieces were very small, some of it were very small, so I decided to merge them with other small ones to make these pieces bigger so that we can cut big pieces of mahamri. Here we are after an hour. This is how you're going to start making your mahamri. You'll just start rolling the dough into round shaped like chapati, but you're not going to roll it too thin because this is not chapati. We are trying to make some mandazi. Then you'll cut the rolled dough into 4 pieces to make the mahamri have look like a triangle. Yes. So I'll just go ahead and cut all the other pieces, then I will show you how we fry them in the oil. So this is how you fry your mahamri. You're going to put it in a medium heat oil. Don't put it in a too hot oil or too low oil. In a too hot oil, it is going to burn and they will not cook inside. In a too low oil, it is going to absorb a lot of oil and it is also going to get very hard because it is going to stay for a long time on the oil and it is going to get very hard. So this is how we cook our mahamri. As you can see, our oil is not too hot, it is just medium and they are slowly cooking properly. And I noticed that not all of them were increasing in size. Most were increasing and some were not increasing, and that is okay according to mahamri. And as you can see, they were cooking golden brown and I really love this color on my mahamri and mandazis. So this mahamri is very easy to make. Just watch this video till the end and see how easy it is. This was my first time and they turned out like this. As you can see, they all cooked inside. They were very sweet and my hubby was very happy. So consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a like, share it with your friends and show them how easy it is to make mahamri. See you in my next one.